Do you have an item for sale you want to post on Facebook Marketplace? Watch the straightforward video on how to do that. Open the Facebook app on your device, then you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, or you tap on the Marketplace icon at the bottom of the screen. In the menu icon, scroll down and tap on Marketplace from the list of options provided. Once in the Marketplace section, you tap on the Sell button at the top left of the screen. Then you tap on Create New Listing or Create Listing. You choose a category that best fits what you are selling. It could be items, vehicles, or properties for rent. Then you tap on Add Photos to upload pictures of the items you are selling from your device camera roll. You can add up to 10 photos per listing. Then you fill in the details about your items, such as title of the listing, price of the item, categories by confirming or adjusting the category selection earlier. You then provide more details about the item, including its size, colors, and so on in the description box there. Then you confirm your location. Facebook will use your current location, but you can adjust it if needed. Once you've entered all the details and added photos, tap on the Publish button at the top right corner of the screen to publish your listing on Facebook Marketplace. It will now be visible to other users browsing the marketplace. So, you have successfully posted an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.